Dear students, in exercise 1.4 of the first chapter sets, we are having the sixth question. If A is equal to set of 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, B is a set of 7, 9, 11, 13, C is a set of 11, 13, 15, D is a set of 15, 17, then find. We are asked to find, first is A intersection B. Now A intersection B means the elements which are common to set A and which are common to set B. So A intersection B is equal to set of 3 is not common, 5 is not common, 7 is common. So set of 7, then 9 is common. So 9 is the element of A intersection. 11 is also common. So set of 7, 9, 11 is the set of A intersection B. Now set of B intersection C means the elements which are common to B and common to C. So B and C. Let us compare. Let us check. B intersection C is equal to set of. Here 11 is common. Then 13 is common. No other element is common. So B intersection C is equal to set of 11 and 13. Now next is A intersection C intersection D. Please note here there are three sets. So first let us find A intersection C. So A intersection C means the elements which are common to set A and set C. So it is equal to set A intersection C is equal to A intersection C is equal to set of 11. Only one common element is there. 11 is common to set A and set C. Then intersection with D. D is a set of 15 and 17. Please note here A intersection C intersection D. So this is A intersection C intersection with D is equal to null set. So this is equal to 5. Then A intersection C. We have just written A intersection C means the elements which are common to set A and set C, and that is equal to set of 11. In that, fifth question is B intersection D means set of B and D, common elements of set B and D. So this is equal to set of 7 not common, 9 not common, 11 not common, 13 not common. So it is a null set. So B intersection D is also equal to 5. Next is A intersection B union D. Please understand this is B union D. So for this we will need B union D. Set of B union D means set of all the elements of set B and set D. So B union D is equal to set of 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. And this is in intersection with set A. So set A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So set A is equal to set of 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. It means set of A intersection B union D is equal to. So common to both are 7, 9 and 11. So A intersection B union D is equal to set of 7, 9 and 11. And seventh question is A intersection D means the elements which are common to set A and set D. This is equal to A intersection D is equal to common to set A and set D. You will notice that set D is of 15 and 17 and no 15 and 17 is present in set A. So it means it is a null set. Then for this intersection we will need B union D, that is set of all the elements of set B and set D. Now B union D is equal to B union D means set of all the elements. So B is 7, 9, 11, 13 and D is 15 and 17. Now B is the set of 7, 9. B is the set of 7, 9, 11 and 13. Now A intersection with B union D. So we have to search which are common to both. So A intersection, here we will need set A and not B. So here it is set A. Set A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. It means A intersection B union D is equal to common to both. So here 7 is common. 9 is common and 11 is common. So it is a set of 7, 9 and 11. Sixth question, while writing I made a mistake. So A intersection B, it is not the 6th and 8 I have written same. So here sixth question is A intersection B union C. So for this we will need B union C. Now B union C is equal to set of 7, 9, 11 and 13, and C is 11, 13 is already present, so we will not repeat it. It is a 15. B union C is this. Now A intersection B union C is equal to, A is this set and B union C is this set. So which are common to both the sets are 7, 9 and 11. 7, 9 and 11 are the common elements of A intersection B union C. Now ninth is A intersection B intersection with B union C. So for this we will need A intersection B, means A intersection B is equal to set of common elements of set A and B. A intersection B is equal to 7, 9 and 11. 7, 9 and 11. Then B union C. Please note this is union, means set of all the elements of set B and C. That is equal to set of 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Now we are asked to find the intersection of A intersection B and B union C. So intersection of these two sets is A intersection B intersection B union C is equal to, common to both are 7, 9 and 11. 7, 9 and 11. Then last question is A union D. A union D is equal to set of 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. D is 15 and 17. Then B union C. B union C is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13 and C is 15. 11, 13 is already written. Now this is the intersection of these two sets, means which are common to both. Therefore A union D intersection B union C is equal to set of 7 is common, 9 is common, 11 is common, 15 is common. So it will be set of 7, 9, 11 and 15. Dear students, next in exercise 1.4 of the set chapter, we have 8 questions. Which of the following pairs of the sets are disjoint? Now first see, set is set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and second set is set of x such that x is a natural number less of such that it is greater than equal to 4 or less than equal to 6. Means x will have the values of 4, 5 and 6. Here 4 is a common element. It means these two sets are not the disjoint sets. Please understand, disjoint sets means the sets which don't have any common element. So since 4 is a common, these are not the disjoint sets. So not disjoint sets. Now second question is a set of A, E, I, O, U and set of C, D, E, F. Please note this E element is common to both the sets, hence both the sets are not disjoint. Now next question is set of x such that x is an even integer. Please understand, this is an even integer and B is a set of x such that x is an odd integer. This is an odd integer. 1, 3, 5, 7 are the odd integers. 2, 4, 6 are even integers. They don't have any common element. Hence, these two are disjoint sets.